to Jimmy's Country Kitchen. Welcome if this is your first time. Today I am making a pineapple pound cake with cherries on top. This is our last summer video. I am so happy. My favorite season is about to start, or has started, autumn. So we'll be dropping new videos for that very soon. All your ingredients should be listed down below. I'm going to start off by adding my room temperature butter and room temperature cream cheese. I'm going to mix that up and also add in the sugar. Next, I'm going to add in my vanilla extract, butter extract, and also some pineapple flavoring. I'm going to add the eggs in one at a time. As soon as I see it break, I add another one. This is the time where you want to slow your mixer down. You don't want to overbeat your eggs. Also, stop in the middle and scrape down your sides to make sure everything is fully incorporated. There is a part of the video missing. My kids were on 1,000 that day, so I was not able to capture it. But basically, I started adding in my flour. You always start with your flour first and then alternate with your wet ingredients. So here I am putting in the blended pineapple that I did earlier. And then I'm going to add in some more flour. And then I'll add in a 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. And then I'll end with flour. You always want to start with flour and end with flour. This is my pan that I've already coated with pan baking spray. I did sprinkle a little bit of sugar inside, a light coating. And I'm going to put this in the oven on 325 for 1.5 hours. It depends on your oven. If you don't think you're getting an accurate oven temperature, just get one of the thermometers and you can go based off of that. Also, do not start checking your cake until after that first 1 hour mark. Don't open the oven, please. Now that my cake is cooked, I'm going to glaze it. I made a pineapple cream cheese glaze that I'm going to use, and I'm going to use also some maraschino cherries on top. And I did mix a little bit of the cherry syrup into some of the icing just to create a different color and flavor as well. I do not like these cherries at all whatsoever, but my family does, so that's why I didn't put any inside of the cake. I just put a few on top. However, thank you so much if you reached this far. I appreciate you tuning in today. Come back for more recipes. Consider joining this channel.